Welcome to video 2. In this video, we will be covering how to add pipeline to the tool. There are two things we mean when we say pipeline. The first, students. Second, candidates. A student is someone that you have identified that could be a great fit for your company. Once that student then shows interest in your company, you will send them the Add Candidate form in an email, which you can access by clicking on the Add Candidate icon here and copying this link into an email that you will send to them. They will then fill out that form, and that will automatically add them to the candidate page, showing that they are also interested in your company. So again, a student is someone that you've identified as a good fit for a good fit for the company. And candidate is what they become once they've identified their interests in your company. Let's look at student. I've just gone in and filled this out, this last row out. You'll fill out information such as when they're added, who they've been added by, first name, last name, their LinkedIn profile, first touch, second touch, and third touch, respective of when you have these conversations, which you might obviously not have all at once, and you'll learn about more in the training portion of your program. The dialogue date of when you have that first conversation with them, their feedback, your comments about them, and this column will automatically update based on what stage you're currently in, and then whether or not they're moving forward as a candidate. Once you fill out this information, they are added over to your pipeline activity by week, which helps your company see the ROI of having you as a phenomenal ambassador on campus. Now, let's say you've had that conversation, you've identified them as a great fit, and you send them that form for them to identify themselves as having interest in your company. What that form actually looks like is right here. Filling out information such as email address, what excites them about the company, referring ambassador, university, first name, last name, phone number, graduation year and semester, primary major, overall GPA, major GPA, and a resume. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to select something that I have on my computer. I'm going to go ahead and upload that. Now, again, you don't fill this out. This is what the candidate fills out, but this is just to help you understand exactly what they're filling out. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And what we'll now see over on our candidates page, once that form is submitted, this is just a test run, but it would be uploaded to this, where you would then see all of their information. Now, you're not going to be changing any of this information. The only information you will change is whether or not they are a preferred candidate or not. And that just helps identify whether or not your campus manager should look at them first, which you will cover more in the training portion of the program. So there you have it. Now you know the difference between a student and a candidate, how each one is entered into the tracking system. And then back here on your overview dashboard, you'll see information like what are your candidates interested in? What are the majors of your candidates? And what are the graduation semesters and years of your candidates as well? Thank you for watching video 2, and I will see you in video 3.